Moving on, let's now talk about markets. Now, after months of relentless gains, Wall Street may be heading into its toughest test yet. With geopolitical risks, inflation concerns, and a record-breaking IPO all converging at once. Investors are now bracing for a volatile week across global financial markets. Take a look at this next report for more.
Global markets are entering a volatile phase as several major risks hit investors at the same time. Escalating tensions in the Gulf have reignited concerns about oil supply disruptions. At the same time, Wall Street's AI-driven rally is showing signs of fatigue after chipmaker Broadcom issued weaker than expected guidance linked to AI demand. Adding to the uncertainty, investors are also reassessing the outlook for US interest rates after stronger economic data reduced expectations of near-term policy easing. The latest US jobs report has become a key trigger for market weakness. Data suggests that the labor market remains resilient despite elevated borrowing costs and higher energy prices. For investors, however, strong economic data comes with a downside. A healthier economy could make it harder for inflation to return to the Federal Reserve's 2% target, reducing the likelihood of interest rate cuts and even raising concerns about further tightening. Treasury yields remain elevated, technology stocks have come under pressure, and markets are now closely watching upcoming inflation readings for fresh signals. Markets are also preparing for one of the biggest public listings in US history. SpaceX is expected to raise at least $75 billion in its upcoming IPO, valuing the company at more than $1.75 trillion. The sheer size of the offering could create significant shifts in market liquidity. Analysts warn that if large volumes of money rush into the stock at the same time, it could amplify volatility not just in SpaceX shares but across broader equity markets. With geopolitical tensions rising, inflation data due this week, and a record-breaking IPO on the horizon, investors are facing a rare convergence of risks that could test the strength of the market rally. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.